Hello, let's start once again. So, Practical 5 is about taking an input from the user about a number and determining whether the number is even, odd, or prime. So, let us start this by taking a variable num where we will be taking input from the user int because we want to check a number, integer numbers only. So, int input and we will be telling the user to enter the number. Simply tell the user enter the number which he wants to check. Okay, so this will be done the first part. Then we have to check if the number is even or not. So for even or not, I'll be writing one conditional statement if number which user has given and its modulo. Okay, the remainder if it is divided by 2, the modulo is remainder is 0 after dividing by 2. So then you have to print inside this that the given number is a even number. Okay. So you can write with f string like this. You can call this placeholder. In this placeholder, the variable num is an even number. Is an even number. So this will be printed as it is. If this condition is not true, then else. Okay. So if statement it ends with colon and that's also with colon, here the condition will be written. If this condition is true, then what need to be printed. So similarly, what we have written here, we will copy and just replace with odd. The given number is an odd number. Okay, so this part is done. Now next to check prime or not. So if number is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1, if this condition is there, print number is neither prime nor composite. Okay. F string only I use so that no placeholder I can use. Is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so if number is 1 or less than 1, it is not a prime number and composite, neither 1 nor composite. Okay, so this condition will be there. Else, if this condition is not true, number is not less than 1, that is 1 or 0, then for loop will be writing for I in range. Okay, so 1 and 2 already we have covered. So now our range will start from 2 onwards. So 2 till the number the user has entered. Till this number, this condition will be checked. And in this again a if statement I am using. I am testing it if the number entered by user modulo I, the iteration from the range 2, 3, 4, okay, till the number is there is equals to 0. If this condition is true, the number will be non-prime because it is divisible by uh, other numbers. Right? And it is non-prime. And it is non-prime. Okay, so this is done. After this, I am using a break keyword in Python. Okay, so this will break. If this condition is not true, the loop will terminate. Or else, okay, finally, if none of the condition is true out of these, so it will be printing the number is a prime. And condition is not true, it will be printed it is a prime number. So let us execute and check. So here there is some syntax error. Okay, where line number 9. So view and show line number or shift L. Line number L, F string is getting terminated here. So I have to terminate the F string here. So I'll enter a number 7. 7 is a prime number, so the code runs till the end. So the number 7 is on and it is a prime number. Let us check for other numbers also. I enter 6 and check 6 is a non-prime number. So it is even a non-prime number. Let us check number less than 2. So if I enter 1, it is neither prime nor composite. This part of the code will be executed. Okay, it is less than or equal to 1. If I enter 0 or negative number, again it is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so we have tested for all conditions. Thank you.